Hey everyone, it's Esperanza. Welcome back to my channel. If you hear my dog bark, I'm sorry. I'm out in my car recording this because there's a lot of people in the house. Anyways, because I'm super behind on my recording schedule because I know it's been so long since I uploaded, but sorry, I've been crazy busy, and so here we are. So I'm just taking the James Charles palette with the shade T with the Morphe ME18, and I'm packing the shade into the crease just a little higher than my normal crease, and then I'm dragging it out into a cut crease layout. Then with the same brush, I'm taking the shade Code James and placing it above the shade T. And then I'm taking the Morphe M330 and then I'm going to blend these two together. Throughout this look, if you guys want to keep darkening your shades and blending them out over and over, go ahead to get your opacity of the shade you want. That's what I did until I got it to my liking. But make sure you keep blending because I can't express how important blending is. But now I'm going back to the Morphe ME18, which is the first brush we used, and I'm taking the... I said that really weird. I'm taking the shade Punch Me to help me blend out the harsh lines if there is any of the shade Code James. Then I'm taking the shade Benny with the Morphe M213, and I am deepening the crease to help with the opaqueness before we apply the concealer. And then I'm going to blend it out lightly. Then I am taking my Master concealer, and then I'm taking a flat brush and just going to cut out my crease through the cut crease form right underneath the shadows we placed. Going back in with the shade Benny in the M213, I'm doing exactly what we did before, but I'm just taking a smaller defined brush just to really deepen up the crease, and then taking the M330 just to blend it all out. After the concealer, it kind of took a while on this part because I kept reapplying shadows and blending them out and just trying to really get the opaqueness of the shadows because I really wanted them to stand out. So I kept reapplying all the shades we used. Moving on to the brow bone, I'm taking the Anastasia Glow Kit Sugar Palette in the shade Marshmallow and the Ring Light from James Charles and Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette to highlight my brow bone. And I took the backside of the Naked 3 brush with some setting spray just to apply these. Then I took any white shade, you can use a translucent powder or any white shade, and just set your concealer. Then I took any black liner and just did a simple black liner because we're going to be applying falsies, because I think black eyeliner behind falsies looks really good. Finally, moving on to the fun part, I'm taking my Bitsy glitter glue and the glitter in the shade Goldie and just applying it into the crease with a oh my goodness, I cannot talk, with a small flat brush. Now just take any black eyeliner you have and apply it in your waterline, and then I'm going back to the Modern Renaissance in the shade Cypress Umber with the Naked 3 brush once again, and I am smoking the eyeliner out, and then I'm taking Burnt Orange from the same palette on the same brush and smoking out Cypress Umber. To finish up the look, I am taking the shade... Is that thunder? I'm gonna hurry up and go inside. Oh no, I'm scared of thunder. Okay. Anyways, so I'm taking the shade Primavera on the backside of the Naked 3 brush and applying that in the inner corner. And then I'm popping on some mascara. And then I'm taking my mink lashes. I love these lashes so much. I got like 16 pairs for 20 bucks. I highly recommend them. They're online though. But the only disclaimer is that they took forever to come in, but it's super worth the wait. Like, go check them out. And once you're done with the lashes, you guys are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the Goldilocks look. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in another video.